And we're back to learning Affinity in the year day 38. Let me show you how you can create dashed outlines. Let's create a basic shape, like a rectangle. And I use the swatches. Doesn't really matter what colors we use. I just want to have high contrast so that you can see properly. So maybe red as a fill, blue as a stroke. And I'll increase the thickness here. By default, it should be a straight line. And to the right of this value, you can left click on the stroke settings. A couple of things to adjust. We're going to go over that in the following videos. For now, it's important that we have a cap and then the width again, which is the size. But most important are the 4 options above. The first one is no line style. Second one is for the straight line. Third is for the dash. And the 4th option is for paintbrush. For now, we're gonna deal with the dash right here, and you can see it blends in a couple of additional options at the bottom. And here you actually have numerical values to adjust the size. First one is always the size of the dash. Second is always the gap. So these are in pairs, and that's why they have these different grayish colors below. Now let's get back to the cap, and you can see that here. So if I make that a bit bigger, there's a round cap. And then we have 2 straight caps. So that gives us a 90-degree angle at the edge. The one is a little bit bigger, the other a little bit smaller. So this affects the gap. There are 2 more pairs, and these again are for size and gap. So here we can add more than 1 dash star at a time. And we add 3 different values. And then we have this option right here for balancing out our face. If you balance it out, then the corners will look the same. You can see that here. And the rest will be aligned accordingly. And if you check it, then the face will be blended out, so you can't use that anymore. The face is simply a manual way to adjust the position of your strokes. Same also works for other objects. For example, here a circle. Let me get back to only one style, and you can see that here. So once more, go to style, use the dash style, width and cap are important, and then adjust it using these numerical values. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.